Hello YouTube. Alright, this is just I would say the last video in this series on Copperhead. This is a retro mod restoration on a GE A model, which is the Cybernet Mark I chassis. So the process with this radio, as you can see in 3 videos prior to this, is that I showed you how to remove the chrome and prepare for paint. This is a radio that is beyond salvageable condition when it comes to the plastic, so it's all about doing a retro restoration and bringing it back to something that you're proud to have on the shelf. So all the covers have been detailed, extensive cleaning with degreasers in order to get to this level. Okay, so to get years and years of nicotine, lacquer and paint off the covers if it has been done. New screws down the sides. This switch here, the NBANL, was broken, so that was replaced. White LED in the meter. It's actually got a red LED on transmit in the meter as well. It's been serviced and aligned, and obviously changed to copper. Just recently I did highlights on the GE, so infilled in silver, they're normally black, and did the same with the channel selector. And that's your lot. Remember to comment, like and subscribe. And this is all about fun of the hobby and bringing back old radios to working condition and not allowing them to end up obviously in the bin. Thank you very much. Remember, comment, like and subscribe. Thank you.